There's ID. Anong filter mo?
Ayan, this one. This friend of mine is, ayan, that one. That one. Ayan, this is the oldest and the tallest. Oy! Ang cycling.
Anong ano? Tara na.
Nakalimutan ko na may...
Tapos, ano?
Oh, ID.
As in, filter hanapin pa? Tignan mo kasi
Hindi,
cellphone mo.
yung sa ano? Nandyan, no?
We're gonna go up.
Ay, cellphone. Akit nila ng cellphone.
How was it? Ay, bakit ano? There's a filter, pero I turned it off already.
Thank you, tita, sa board.
Thank you, tita. Kamsahamnida. Arigatou gozaimasu. Ay, merci beaucoup.
Grabe naman.
Alat mo?
Bago kayo, iniwan niyo to, oh.
Sino?
Nagago, ang gulo ng buhok ko. Ito, this is Cha. This is Cha. Charlene. Charlie. Charurin. That's her name, remember?
Chararurin.
Oh, Chararurin. This is Chararurin.
Kanina na eh. Ginamit ko doon.
Shout! Hoy!
Yung ano, be, pinto, be.
Mag-film ba talaga tayo sa labas, ne?
Yes, I know. Yes, I know.
Kaya muna tayo.
Sasayaw kami, guys. Wah. Kung magpapakilala sana. Shoo. Pwede bang idaan mo na lang sa kawa. Bugs.
Man. Basketball player to.
Hindi kayang tumbas
3 points.
ng kahit anong sarap.
Look at her long hair, guys. She has the most prettiest hair among us.
Oh, are you okay, baby?
She has the most prettiest hair. Diba?
Over naman sa...
Rapunzel?
Most
High
prettiest
school
hair.
girl.
And
Yeah.
I'm the most prettiest.
Ay.
What?
Asa na yung lipstick ko?
Oh!
I put it...
Mautdugan na naman yung mga yan.
Oo, gago. Teka, saan yan?
On your bag.
Hello?
Hanay nila mo
Sino yun? Guys,
Guess what?
hey, look at my hair. So what the frick? Ano gayan ay? Salamat. Ano naman kayo?
Hi, Pun. Uy, that's second in Japanese. Pun and Pun. Hey!
I'm
learning.
Oh?
Ay, hindi pala. Bio pala ang seconds. That's minute pala. Pun and Fun. That's minute in Japanese. Yes.
What flavor, baby?
Put them here. This is our
Youngest and
the most prettiest. Yes.
No.
Baby.
And she's the most